Welcome. This short video tutorial will help you navigate through the 3 online technology forms within MiSTAR Parent Portal that are required when obtaining a P-CCS one-to-one take-home Chromebook or when your student is using district and personal devices at school and while connected to our network. These forms are the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, the Responsible Use of Technology form, and the Chromebook User Agreement form. We will start by visiting the Plymouth Canton Community Schools website at pccsk12.com. At the top of the menu, choose the Parent tab. Then, under Quick Links menu, choose MiSTAR Parent Portal. On the next screen, click Log on to MiSTAR Parent Portal, indicated by the blue link. Then, on the next screen, once again choose Parent Portal. Using your login credentials, enter your Parent Portal PIN and password. If you don't know it, click Reset Your Password, and your PIN will be emailed to you with a link to reset your password. Once you are logged in, click on the Back to School registration at the top of the page indicated in red. You are now on the Parent Connection main menu screen where parents and guardians are listed, as well as your student's name, grade, school they attend, and the school year. To the far right, click Register Now. A menu will come up on the left side of your screen where you should see the 3 technology forms that were mentioned earlier, as well as several other topics that may need your attention. For this tutorial, though, we are focusing on the technology forms. Let's start by clicking on Responsible Use of Technology. The Responsible Use form holds users responsible for their actions and activities while using school and district-approved technology resources and personal devices at school and at pre-approved co-curricular and extracurricular activities and events. Please read the information presented on this page carefully and thoroughly. At the bottom of the page, please select I agree, grant permission, or I disagree, deny permission from the drop-down menu. After you have made your selection, click inside the small box next to the words Mark this section complete, and then click Submit at the top of the page. You are now ready to go on to the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. The COPPA was passed by the U.S. Congress in 1998 and took effect in April of 2000. The Act specifies that websites must require parental consent for the collection or use of personal information of young website users. Please read the information on this page carefully and thoroughly. When you have finished reading the COPPA information, go to the very bottom of the page and select I agree, grant permission, or I disagree, deny permission from the drop-down menu. After you have made your selection, click inside the small box next to the words Mark this section complete, and then click Submit at the top left of the page. The final online document needing your attention is the Chromebook User Agreement. If you are choosing to have your student participate in the one-to-one P-CCS Chromebook Take-Home program, you and your student will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the district's Chromebook User Agreement and make an online insurance premium payment or a refundable deposit payment. Please read this documentation very carefully. If choosing to participate, make a decision as to which payment option is best for you and your student. Click the appropriate links under the insurance or deposit heading respectively. A new window will appear prompting you to make a payment via the RevTrack payment website. If you have used RevTrack in the past, log on and follow the on-screen prompts to make a payment. If you have never used RevTrack, you will need to create an account prior to making a Chromebook insurance payment or a deposit payment. Once you have made your payment, close out of the RevTrack window and scroll to the bottom of the Chromebook User Agreement page. In addition to making a payment, you must select We wish to participate in the drop-down menu. Click inside the small box next to the words Mark this section complete, and then click Submit at the top left of the page. Should you and your student decide not to participate in the P-CCS Chromebook One-to-One Take-Home program, you do not need to visit the RevTrack website, and you must select We do not wish to participate in the drop-down menu. If there are any other back-to-school modules that need your attention, click on those sections and follow the on-screen prompts for completion. Otherwise, click on Return to Registration Main Screen at the top left. You should now see the words Section Complete, as well as the date of completion next to all three of the technology forms that we just covered. You are now ready to close out of the MiSTAR window. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions or concerns, please contact the front office staff at your student's school.